with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. One more video for you today about leadership and the leadership mindset. The thing that I want to wrap this all up with is persistence. I have discovered, my friends, that great leaders are never stuck. Many people get stuck many times, but you won't find that happening with great leaders. They realize that life is about change, and they realize that change is coming, and they get ready for it. They plan for it. They prepare for it. And when it arrives, they pounce on it, and they make outstanding choices to position themselves for success. Don't allow yourself to get stuck. Keep swinging, keep fighting, keep yourself in the game until you find yourself on the right side. That's my message for you today. I wish you the absolute best. See you next time.